In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use responsive AI with Wix Studio, transforming your web design into a seamless, adaptive experience. Sit back and let's walk through the process together, making it as smooth and efficient as possible. If you've ever tinkered with Wix Studio, you know how flexible it can be. But integrating AI to automatically adjust your site's responsiveness can totally elevate its functionality and design. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Wix Studio project. Navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll notice an AI icon. This is your gateway to harnessing the power of responsive AI. Clicking on this button will present a set of options aimed at facilitating the creation of AI-driven elements on your site. As you move on, you'll need to choose the option Create a Full Section. This is where the magic happens. Clicking this option invokes a prompt that allows you to specify the elements you want to be included within your new section. Crafting your content thoughtfully here is important because the AI will tailor it to fit responsively across different devices. As you sketch out your vision, remember to include the word responsive specifically. This acts as a signal to the AI to optimize your section's adaptability, ensuring that whether your visitors are accessing the site on a smartphone, tablet, or desktop, they'll have a consistently pleasant experience. Once you've input your details, it's time to see the AI's capabilities in action. The tool will generate a section based on your specifications. From here, it's as simple as dragging and dropping this new creation right onto your site. You'll immediately witness it slide into place, accommodating itself according to your screen's dimensions. It's a satisfying and seamless way to integrate adaptive design into your site without needing extensive coding knowledge. A few tips as you experiment with this feature. Think about your audience and how they interact with your site. Having an understanding of their habits and preferences can inform the kind of content you'll want to input into your responsive sections. Also, don't hesitate to play around with different settings and keywords. It can be incredibly informative to see how various inputs yield different responsive layouts. This is a fantastic way to ensure your site remains looking sharp and professional on any device. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your website's functionality and aesthetic with minimal effort. So give it a try and watch your site transform into an interactive platform uniquely suited for every visitor's device. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and I hope you're walking away with the confidence to apply responsive AI to your projects.